everyone, welcome back to my home cooking. For today's video, ang isi-share ko sa inyo is we will make apple muffins. So, here is my ingredients at this time. I have 5 cups of flour. I have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. So, i-mix natin siya. Then I have my 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And then we will add 2 teaspoons of salt. Alright. And I have my 4 cups of slice. This is assorted apple, green smith, red apple, red delicious, and golden apple. So, ni-slice ko na siya ng maliliit. Now, I have my 2.5 cup of sugar. I have 1 butter. Ayan. And I have 3 eggs. Now, I have, so as you can see, ito ay, yan sa ibabaw is instant BHEAS. And then, this is 1 cup of milk. So, ang gagawin ko is ilalagay natin siya dito. And we have half. So, 1 and 1/2 cup of milk. So, what we're going to do is mix it together, including these 2 eggs. Okay. And then, yung ating butter. So, yung ating butters, medyo hindi masyado. So, ang gagawin natin is, i-mix natin sa flour. So, pwede na natin siya i-mix sa ating large bowl. Okay. So, dito sa ating apple, may nilagay na rin akong 2 tablespoons of vinegar for this. So, halo na lang natin siya. Alright. Ayan. So, naka-preheat na yung oven natin ng 200 degrees. And then, ito turn natin siya ng 380 kapag okay na tayo. So, I will prepare now my baking pan. So, now, I have now 2 baking pan. And special mention to Miss Karen Johnson. Thank you for sponsoring this baking pan because nandito ako sa US ngayon, guys. So, wala akong ganito. So, thank you, Miss Karen. And my husband must buy me this one earlier. And you can buy this also in grocery outlet. Yeah, it's nice. So, we will start now. For doing this, I need to put this butter. So, will put butter on this. Okay. So, para hindi siya, when it comes to, hindi siya didikit. Alright. Simple as that. Lalagay natin siya ng ganyan. Exactly lang siya na. Kasi aapaw pa siya mamaya. Okay, this is an exactly. So we all ready to, because our oven is already ready. So it's start bake now. Our oven is ready. We will proceed to bake. Yeah, this is exactly for the oven. I had to plate. So we will what is 1, 2, 380. Okay. Alright, so babalikan natin siya after 20 minutes. 18 to 20 minutes depending on the browning. After 20 minutes guys, ito na yung ating cupcake. Ay, muffins. There we go. My delicious muffin here. So nice. Okay, so we let it cool on this, guys. Okay guys, ito na yung aking product for today for our apple muffins. We see, as you can see, see, so pwede ninyo i-refrigerate ito o i-freezer ninyo. Ayan. Perfect. I like it. Pwede na siya pang merienda or dessert. So thank you so much for watching this my vlog, my home cooking vlog, my apple muffins. And please don't forget to subscribe and push the button all below para maging updated kayo sa next kong recipe update guys. Thank you so much. Bye!